Hi everyone, I'm Kelly B and this is Kelly T with ProEdge Dental Water Labs. The team here at ProEdge is proud to make one of the most effective and economical waterline maintenance products available.
BlueTab.
BlueTab. This award-winning tablet is trusted by top practices across the country and used over 15,000 times per day to help keep patients and practices safe.
And Kelly B and I are going to show you how to use it to safeguard your practice.
That's right, and it's really simple to use. Basically 3 steps, right Kelly T?
You got it. BlueTab is very effective at maintaining clean lines. So the first step is to make sure that your lines are actually clean. Shock your water lines prior to using BlueTab to clear them of any biofilm.
This is a vital part of every effective waterline maintenance protocol. It basically ensures that straws and tablets like BlueTab are performing at their best, right?
Exactly. Now for step 2. Simply drop a tablet or tablets in your water bottle every time you need to refill. You can use a table located on the BlueTab packaging to determine whether 1 or 2 tablets is best. And step 3, fill the water bottle with tap water and let the tablet effervesce. It takes about 1 to 3 minutes for the tablet to completely dissolve. Then just reconnect the bottle to your unit, and you're ready to go.
Now, you can feel secure knowing that BlueTab is completely safe for your patients. It's odorless, tasteless, and has no ill effect on bonding or equipment.
It's designed to be continuously present in your water lines for up to 28 days. And because it's continuously present, you don't need to purge your water lines at the end of every day or even over the weekend.
Hey, that is convenient.
And with BlueTab, you don't need to use distilled water. You can, but it performs really well with water straight from the faucet.
Also convenient.
Remember to shock and test your water lines regularly to ensure that BlueTab's always effective. You can use the BlueTab Quick Start Guide to help determine the proper frequency.
All right, from all of us at ProEdge, thank you for choosing BlueTab. If you need help using it or want to learn waterline maintenance best practices, call or email the team here at ProEdge. We love helping dedicated dental pros achieve safe water.